We made it to our room. It's a suite, but the first thing I want to try out is the bed. Let's go. Hey guys, we made it to our suite here at Disney's Art of Animation Resort. Let's check it out. Let me give you a little tour. As you first come in, you have this table right here, a little dining table, but actually this is a bed. I'll show you how this works in a second. The bed comes down, the table folds automatically. It's pretty cool, and you can see you have built-in nightstands already. They're right there. So it'll turn into a bed for two. Over here we have the bathroom. It has a little theme going on, kind of like a sunken ship or something like that. And then we have this beautiful shower curtain. I love it. Some of the characters from Finding Nemo. The fan turns on automatically as you walk in. It must have a sensor. And let's open the curtain. We have a nice shower head and a little clothesline. We have the curved rod, the H2O that Disney always provides. They're attached to the wall, and it looks rusty in here, like those colors from one of those submarines or ships that are sunken under the sea in Nemo's world, right? Very cool. You see the numbers there. And then over here, we have the living area, which has a sofa bed that can also sleep two. We have some beautiful artwork. You see little fishies in there that make up this artwork. It's like a school of fish, just like in the movie. And then over here, a beautiful lamp that kind of reminds you of underwater sea life, you know. And then we have this really cool chair that also has a pattern that kind of reminds you of the sea. This is the view we have. This time we did not get pool view. And check it out. All of their furniture has some of the scenes from the movie. And another table over here. This is kind of like your extra pillow and blanket, and you can hang your clothes. You don't really have a closed closet. There's no doors or anything like that. Just put your stuff there neatly, tuck it all away. And then as we come in here to the master, which I already jumped into the bed, made it a little messy. We have a beautiful headboard, a couple of lamps that look like jellyfish. Everything has that under the sea theme, as you can see here, the nightstand. There's artwork on the drawer there. The bed is high enough so you can stick your luggage underneath. But we do have a TV and a luggage rack over here is what I meant to say. And a little area here. So this room has the safe, little closet area there. Our luggage is already there. And on this side you can see the other nightstand has some more artwork with pearl on it. Beautiful, so cool. And over here we have another window. Beautiful. And this room has its own bathroom. So you have a bathroom over there. And over here we have another bathroom. There's a mirror. This one has a shower instead of a tub. There's a shower head, and the fan just turned on, so it does have the automatic, or the, oh look, that looks like Captain Hook's little thingy there. From a different movie, supposed to be Finding Nemo. But what a cool bathroom. Very nice. I really do love these jellyfish lamps. So this suite sleeps 6 people, and there's 3 pools. A really big pool, and then there's 2 smaller pools. All right guys, let me show you the Murphy bed. All right, we took out the chairs, and now all you gotta do is pull this down, the table folds. Ta-da!